Hola, bienvenidos a Hill Murray. Hello and welcome to Hill Murray. I am Senora Louise Head and I am also the Quiz Bowl coach. I do want you to know that I was a Quiz Bowl student here long before I became a teacher and coach. I followed in my siblings' footsteps and went to state my junior year, and now I have the privilege of being the coach of the team. Quiz Bowl is very much like Jeopardy! If you love to answer questions and you love to answer questions fast, Quiz Bowl is for you. In a Quiz Bowl meet, students sit in teams of 4, and sometimes they answer individually, buzzing in on the buzzers as fast as they can, and other times they get to collaborate with their team members to put together a team answer. But also, the time frame is pretty quick, so you have to know what you know and know it quickly. When we go to Quiz Bowl matches, we face off against another team of 4, and hear the questions, and basically whoever gets the most answers correct and scores the most points will win that match. Sometimes we go to weekend tournaments as well. Same format, 4-on-4, answering individually or collaborating with your team, getting as many points as you can to win. I have also had the tremendous privilege of going to national competition twice with my Quiz Bowl teams. We went to Chicago in 2009 and we went to Atlanta in 2018. I would love for you to come join my Quiz Bowl team and possibly be a part of the team that would go to the next national competition. Now for the details that will really directly affect you as a potential QB for HMQB. First of all, Quiz Bowl is open to students in grades 7 through 12. It's a different league from the athletic leagues, so you may start as young as 7th grade and go all the way through your senior year. The season runs from about the middle of September through about the end of February. Sometimes we extend that into March to go to a couple of extra weekend tournaments. And if you're looking for an activity that doesn't have a huge time commitment but is a lot of fun, Quiz Bowl is for you. We practice once a week on Thursdays after school for about an hour. And yes, even during COVID, we do plan to have meets, and we're figuring out how to do those virtually now. So again, I would love to have you be a QB and carry on the tradition that I've been a part of here at Hill Murray since the early 80s as a student and since 1999 as the coach. Thank you for listening to me today. Goodbye and God bless.